Hello. Thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I will optimize my call only ad campaign. I have published a call campaign, call Google campaign. Okay, so I'm going to optimize its performance. Okay, so here you can see at first you need to sign in your account. Okay, so you need to sign in your account. So go to the ads.google.com in this URL, then you will get the sign in option. After sign in, if you have a multiple account, then select your account. Okay, I select my account, and finally I have gotten this interface. So here you can see I have 10 clicks, CTR rate is 30%, average CPC is $8. Oh my god, and I still do not receive any conversation. So now I will check its keyword now. Okay, so at first I am going to the campaign section. Okay, you have to go campaign, then select your campaign. So I have select our campaign. This is our campaign. Okay, so I select our campaign. I have published one ad group. Okay, so now I will check auction. There has a no auction. I will check the ad and asset. Okay, so you can see my ad got the click 10 and CTR rate is 30, almost 30.51%. Average CPC, but no conversation is received. So I will check asset. Every I got asset, no CTR, no click, but we will get the impression. Okay, so now I select the landing page option. Mobile speed, mobile friendly, click, impression, CTR. Okay, I will check the keyword. Okay, I will check the search keyword. This keyword is not performing still. I will check the negative keyword. There has a multiple negative keyword now. Okay, then I'll check the search term. I'll check the search term. Commander manager, one click, but I think this keyword is not for us, so I will add as a negative keyword in the campaign, in the negative keyword list. Okay, and I get one click, hello fresh pics. This is also negative keyword. Okay, then we do not see any click now. I will check search keyword. Okay, there has a no still keyword I found. I check 200. Okay, I'll check the recommendation. Okay, focus on conversation based on maximize conversation bid strategy. Okay, I will select the campaign settings option. I'll check. I'm going to campaign section and I'm going to the settings option. Here you can see marketing object lead. Okay, that's fine. Bidding strategy maximum conversation. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, bidding strategy is fine. So I think we need to wait to get a conversation now. Everything is fine now, and I will add two negative keyword. Okay, so we need to check every day for stopping negative keyword. 10 click, 5 click we got, 2 click we got. Okay, 1 click, another click, another click. Okay, that's perfect. So hope that you understand everything. We need to wait to get a conversation, and we need to monitor regularly, and maybe there has a we need to check quality. I just this campaign perform only one day. If you check last 7 days, only we got 5 conversation. So maybe we need to wait and show its performance. I hope you understand the video. If you have any project goal ad campaign, let me contact. I will help you to optimize your ad campaign. Thank you so much.